As Kentucky moves towards reopening, the governor wants to remind everyone the virus is not gone. And some places in Kentucky, like the Green River Correctional Complex, are still being hit very hard by it. The coronavirus is still spreading throughout the prison, but the state hopes that its new plan can finally get everything under control. LEX 18's political reporter Carolina Buchek, working remotely once again today, joins us live with this story. Carolina.
Well, the Green River Correctional Complex has been dealing with the coronavirus for a while now, and this is not unusual. The virus can really spread through jails and prisons because there's a lot of people confined to just a few spaces. So we have seen this across the country, and the governor made it clear that Green River is really struggling right now. Now, the good news is that everyone at the prison has been tested for COVID-19. The governor says about 875 people in total were tested last Friday. So now the state is just waiting on those results, but the governor warned they could be bad. He says they're expecting up to 120 more positive cases, and they believe they'll have another death to report, which could bring that total to 3 people now. And the Muhlenberg County Health Department says they've already had a lot of confirmed cases at the prison. The county has had 256 COVID cases so far, and most of them have come from the prison. So the first step here, the state needs to get all of the results. Once they have them, the plan is to split the prison population into 4 groups. Luckily, Green River is made up of a cluster of buildings, so this is possible to do. So the plan, in one of the buildings, they'll move everyone who tested positive for COVID-19. In another building, they'll move all of the people who tested negative, but have had exposure to someone who tested positive. Then in a third building, they'll move all the people who tested negative, and these people have not had any exposure to someone who tested positive. And then finally, in that 4th building, they'll move people there who are medically vulnerable. So it's a lot of work, but the state thinks this will help stop this virus from getting to everyone in the prison. And state officials acknowledge that this has not been an easy situation for everyone inside.
Come in. And I know that it's been a difficult situation for everybody down at Green River, but I want to commend all of those, particularly our correction workers, and in fact, the inmates who have cooperated all for the health and well-being of everyone there.
And once those results come in, the state says it will also do follow-up testing of targeted populations. So there's still a lot of work to be done to get this virus out of that prison. Back to you.
All right, Carolina, thank you.